Hello, today we will guide you through how to transfer Lovable project to another account. To begin, open Lovable and go to the Home dashboard. This is the main area where you can access your workspace and manage your projects. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct account, since the transfer will need to be started by the current project owner. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on All Projects. This will open the full list of projects connected to your account, making it easier to find the specific one you want to transfer. If you have a lot of projects, it may help to scan the names carefully so you select the correct one before continuing. Next, find the project you want to transfer. In this example, it's a sample project, but you should choose the project that applies to you. Once you've located it, click the three-dot menu beside that project. This menu contains additional actions and management options for that specific project. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you into the project's settings page, where you can update important project-level controls and permissions. On this page, scroll down until you find the Transfer Ownership section. Since settings pages can include several options, scrolling slowly can help you avoid missing the correct area. When you see the Transfer Ownership section, click Transfer. This opens a transfer option so you can choose the account that will become the new owner of the project. At this stage, it's important to double-check that you're ready to proceed, because ownership changes usually affect who has primary control over the project going forward. Now select the new owner from the available options. Be sure to choose the correct account carefully. A quick review here can prevent mistakes and save time later, especially if your workspace includes multiple collaborators or accounts with similar names. Once you've selected the new owner and confirmed that everything looks right, click Confirm Transfer. This finalizes the process and sends the project to the selected account. After the transfer is complete, it's a good idea to verify that the ownership change has gone through successfully. If needed, you can also check whether the project now appears under the new account's project list. That's it. You've successfully transferred a Lovable project to another account.